With the Telluride, a remarkably well-packaged carnival minivan, and for those without such a need for a small space, Kia offers one of the 3-row SUVs with great performance. With a lot for its budget, the K5 fights fierce competition from the 10 best-winning Honda Accord. A 2.5-liter inline 4 powers most K5s. Front-wheel drive is normal, but at some trim levels all-wheel drive may be installed. The 290 horsepower K5 GT is excellent, boisterous fun right at the top of the list. Though they have a lot in common, the K5 and its Hyundai badged mechanical twin, the Sonata, have a somewhat different driving feel. Every time a consumer gets behind the wheel, standard amenities such LED headlights, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear cross-traffic alert, will be valuable. A 191 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder coupled with an 8-speed automated transmission powers most K5 versions. The K5 comes basic with front-wheel drive with that engine. All-wheel drive is available. The more potent turbo 2.5-liter 4 found in the full Mini GT edition produces 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. Apart from its unusual 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, also found on the Hyundai Sonata N Line, the sportiest K5 is fitted with wider tires on bigger 19-inch wheels, a distinctive suspension tuning, and larger brakes. Inside, the K5 looks fantastic for its price, and the redesign this year further enhances the ambience. The cabin is set with pleasing materials including wood trim on the dash and doors. The layout is both sophisticated and simple. Along with these elegant interior elements, the K5 has heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, a wireless charging pad and ambient interior lighting on the dash and doors. Although the driver's seat seems high even at its lowest point, good features are the comfy dead pedal for your left foot and floor-hinged accelerator. The trunk has lots of baggage area and the rear seat offers excellent legroom. We packed 7 carry-on bags back there. Standard and optional driver assistance systems abound in Kia's family car as well. See the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites for further details regarding the crash test findings for the K5. Important safety elements include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure alert combined with lane keeping aid, conventional adaptive cruise control. Kia offers bar none, one of the best warranties. Although it doesn't include complimentary scheduled maintenance, Hyundai's limited and powertrain coverage are the longest of any carmaker except its corporate brother. Restricted warranties run 5 years or 60,000 miles. 10 years or 100,000 miles are covered under the powertrain warranty. There is no scheduled complementing maintenance.